So building off of further what I did in the mini project, I decided to learn how Python can be used in Power BI. So by doing so, I found where I made, as you can see, I made a bunch of different graphs using Python visuals that were also then supported through Power BI. It was a lot easier than writing in Google Colab and a lot more simple because I don't have to have it read a CSV file. It was a lot easier to write the code because, for example, for this graph, I only needed 2 lines of code to do any sort of checking variables or anything, and then the rest of it is just building it. Uh, you can also make it more complex, from what I've learned, is using, again, not having to have it read a CSV file and have another variable I would have to work with and keep track of. I'm able to use these lines here to count each of the types because, for example, for the electric type, it might show up in type 1 or type 2, and I'm wanting to get the average stat for any electric types. And so I have it to, you know, go through both of those types and combine it into one. I then was able to use different colors to represent each of the types to make it look better, and then use Python for to make the visual. You're also able to use it without having Python as a visual. As you can see for here, I don't have any code. I don't have any code here, but I'm able to still display it by using a CSV file, which is what everything is based off of on here. It was pulled and cleaned, and then I'm able to get the data I want, put it in any sort of the graphs I want, and then put the data in any of the sections. And then I'm able to filter the data however I want. Like I wanted only Pokemon with 140 speed or higher, and so that's what is shown here.